Ba't ka raw umupo?
Introducing the Husky Family, starting with Polly, the princess of the family who enjoys eating, napping, and going on adventures. Next up is Kobe, the prince of the family, always chatty, full of energy, a bit possessive, but oh so sweet. Then there's Bella, Polly's daughter, the youngest member of the family. Talkative, playful, and absolutely adorable. And let's not forget about Momi and Dottie, the loving fur parents who shower Polly, Kobe, and Bella with care and affection.
Diba, nag-ano na lang sa lababo. Sino kakausapin mo? Kaya ka nakatingin. Ako na lang. Ay, si ate, oh. Ayan. Ate, pansanin mo siya. Gutom na daw siya. Sabi mo, tigil. Oo. Come on, pansinin ka kamo, dali. Oh, daddy. Lahat na dalawa. Lahat dalawa.
24 minutes.
Oh. Kahit na raw. Masapin mo, dali. Oh, kilos ka na raw. Pinapakilos ka? Ano? Bilisan mo daw. Ala, umupo na si ate. Ba't ka raw umupo?
Kakasalang lang. Ka pa?
No, antayin lang si ate ha. No, hindi pa raw nakulo.
Muna. Yes.
Palayo.
Thanks for tuning in. To subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.